At providing a window to black money holders, the government today proposed to levy a total tax penalty and surcharge of 50% on the amount deposited post demonetization, while higher taxes and stiffer penalty of up to 85% await those who don't disclose but are caught. Those who choose to declare the ill-gotten wealth stashed till now in the banned currency under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojna 2016 will have to pay a tax at the rate of 30% of the undisclosed income.
Sri Arun Jaitley ji to introduce the bill.
Madam Speaker, I rise to move for leave of the House to introduce the Taxation Laws Second Amendment Bill 2016 listed in today's supplementary list of business.
Finance Minister Arun Jaitley tabling the Income Tax Amendment Bill in Lok Sabha, a bill that not only reiterates the government's intent to wipe out black money but also sets out concrete steps towards achieving this end. The amendments in the IT Act have been proposed to check measures that people are adopting to evade tax after government announced demonetization of 500 and 1000 rupee notes. Changes to the income tax law were approved by the Union Cabinet on Thursday. A taxation and investment regime for the game-changing Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojna 2016 has been proposed in the bill. As the name suggests, the aim is to divert black money collected post-demonetization into welfare schemes for the poor. The bill proposes three possible scenarios. The first case involves a voluntary declaration of black money. Here, the declarant shall be required to pay tax at 30% of the undisclosed income and penalty at 10% of the undisclosed income. A surcharge, Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan cess at 33% of tax is also proposed. In addition to tax, surcharge and penalty, the declarant shall have to deposit 25% of undisclosed income in a deposit scheme for a period of 4 years. This amount deposited for 4 years is proposed to be utilized for welfare schemes like irrigation, housing and infrastructure. In second scenario, those who continue to hold on to undisclosed cash and are caught, existing provision of income tax law will be amended. In such a case, a flat rate of 60% plus a surcharge of 25% of tax will be charged. This amounts to a levy of 75% of undisclosed amount. Besides, an additional 10% penalty can also be levied. In the third case scenario, if any black money is unearthed during a search and seizure, a 30% penalty will be charged if an admission is made, and this will be doubled to 60% in any other case. The disclosures under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojna will ensure that no questions will be asked about the source of fund. It would ensure immunity from wealth tax, civil laws and other taxation laws. But there is no immunity from FEMA, PMLA, Narcotics and Black Money Act. All disclosed income, including up to 2.5 lakh rupees, can come under scrutiny. This virtually means all declared income will be verified. However, only income found to be from invalid means will be taxed and penalized. The Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojna will be notified once the amendments are passed in Lok Sabha. It will remain in force till 31st of December 2016, which is incidentally the last date for depositing all the old denomination notes of 500 and 1000 rupees. All in all, the amendments aims at plugging the loopholes in the Income Tax Act, which will also prevent in further generation of black money. With camera person Rakesh, Siddhant Sibul, DD News, New Delhi.